Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you the ways how you can make money with Scribie. The first thing I'm going to talk to you about is if I actually recommend it and what are some main advantages and disadvantages that I personally see in Scribie and sites like these. And then I'm going to show you also like another way how you can actually make money. Now, first thing, definitely don't use just Scribie. Go like Scribie versus, and you're gonna have like transcribe me, ref, go on transcript. Use those sites too and be like everywhere, only because like those good jobs are literally taken out in really fast way, and you want to have those good jobs to transcribe like those files, only because choosing a project which got really bad audio is not that really effective from money-wise perspective, only because you're not going to a lot of money. What do I mean by that? That you are not being paid by the hours that you're going to put in. You're going to be paid for the amount of translation that you're going to do. So this is really important. So let's say that you got 10-minute video. And let's say that we would have like pricing of how much money you can actually make. And you would be like, this is a good site for it. Transcribe me. Let me show you. Be me. And let's say that you would like to have a job and you would like to earn per audio hour. But to do the 10-minute of audio, you need to actually work on it for 3 hours to repeat it, to really understand it, to write it out, to transcribe it. It's going to take a real long time to actually do the few-minute audio. So, okay, here I'm going to write it, then I'm going to write it. So therefore, it's going to take you time. Now, what does it mean is that you're going to pay for those 10 minutes of the audio. You're not going to take and get paid for hours. So you have to really do good projects that you can be confident in, that you can work it with effectively, with a good accuracy. That is going to be good for you on both sides. Now, this is kind of disadvantage and my recommendation. Don't just like create things for the like taking the projects and you're gonna work for 4 hours for 10 minutes of the video or like of the audio, and then you're gonna actually like lose money because you're investing so much time into it, and you would make like $1 an hour, and it's not effective at all. If you just, okay, it can be good for you. Let's say that you're working from home, you're ill or something, and you want to do something. In that way, I would do this. Definitely. But any other way, like even the day job is much better to get comparing to this. Now, it's good. What are some advantages? The first thing is that you can work from home. You can choose how much time you want to invest. This is a really great way if I would have a child with me, and if I would be a parent, what I can do is to actually like, okay, I have a child next to me, I would have my audio, and then I would just be like transcribing and making side income. So having it as a side income is really great way. Now what you can do is here, you just come and go further, click here jobs on the right bottom, skills, good communication skills, proficient in spoken written English, responsibilities, you would transcribe audio files into text. You could review audio transcripts for accuracy, verify that the transcript matches the audio, and then what you have to do is like submit your application right here. Many people for that you need to actually provide PayPal account. So this is like disadvantage kind of, that you're gonna get paid in dollars, and you have to always keep in mind that I don't know how is it in your country where you're from, but you have to actually, this is just as a business and you have to pay taxes from it. So that's something, another thing you need to think about. And also if you're gonna have it from dollars to a different currency, you have to pay a conversion fee. So that's something you need to definitely understand that you're gonna pay conversion fee, and maybe some fees also from PayPal, and this is kind of disadvantage. Now, Scribe and Transcribe Me and others got this option that you need to have it. So this is the first way how you can actually make money. They are going to have tests for you. Like Transcribe Me has a test of how is it called? A text, if you know how to understand the grammar, and then also how we can understand the audio, and they will just like pick you up in a few days. They will reply to you if it's actually worth it. Now, when you would come here, it's good because like there's plenty of people who want to do this, but you always need to refresh for the jobs, because sometimes there isn't going to be any job at all. And like, look at this Scribie, plenty of people are using it. So this is something that you have to definitely keep in mind, that it's good, but it's like Hunger Games. You do have to be ready to use it. So this is the first way how you can actually make money with Scribie and others. The second way how we can make money is that you would create YouTube videos about Scribie and others, and you would teach other people how to be a transcriptionist and how to do it better. So you can make like 5 tips how to do the transcription better. And if you want to create YouTube videos and you like to make money that way too, there is a YouTube course down below in the description, completely for free, that can help you and start with that. So that's something that I would possibly do. And the good advantage is that it's going to be passive income for you, because those videos are going to earn you money 2, 3, 4 years from now. And that's really good. You can also create courses and stuff like that. So that's another really effective thing. And that's what I would definitely do. And that's how would I do things. Now, people think that creating YouTube videos is really hard, but it's not really. You can just like have a small camera as I do. Right now I'm recording. Or what you can do is have it without the camera and just show the screen. So that's something you can definitely do. And that's the way how we can create things. And I think that's a pretty effective way what you can actually do and how we can achieve. Now, so that's something you can do. Also, you can start selling the courses of the Scribie and how you can use better Transcribe.me, how we can get better jobs. And that's pretty much it. So to summarize this video, definitely guys, focus on things that can, like on a project that are not that hard and you understand the audio. Because if you're going to choose the project in which you can really understand the audio and you need to overanalyze it, you can really comprehend what they're saying, you can understand what they're saying, it's not going to be good. It's just not going to be good at all. Definitely don't use only Scribie. Go with Transcribe.me. Don't go with Scribie. Then go also with ref.com. So this is something that I would definitely recommend. And yeah, if you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be pretty happy to help you and provide you some guidance. You know how it goes. You know how it is. And yep. So have a great day and goodbye. See ya.